Take a moment to let yourself get settled. Find a comfortable position where you can feel the support of your environment with your body. As you breathe in and out, sense as if there's a light, a sunlight that's coming down from the top of your head, around your whole body, and through your whole body, filling every cell in your body with light. And feel the support of the earth beneath you. And just if you feel comfortable and it feels right, gently put a hand on your heart and breathe in and out through your heart as you go on this journey. As you breathe in and out, notice the sounds, notice the smell, notice the physical sensation on your skin. Notice what you see, what you hear, what you smell, what you taste. Breathing in and breathing out. Begin to think about something that you would like to expand. Kindness, patience, connection, whatever it is for you. Notice what that something is. As you breathe in and out, see what it's like to start to sense and feel the support of nature all around you. And let yourself begin to lean into nature. Notice what it's like to be embraced by nature, embracing nature and being embraced by nature. As you breathe in and out, notice what arises. Notice the shift and the change in your body, in your thoughts. Continuing to feel what it's like to be embraced by nature, getting the support of nature to help you expand whatever it is that you desire. You can continue this as long as you'd like.